What's up guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna switch it up a little bit. Last night me and Trevor and Justin, we did some walleye fishing in a Wisconsin lake. So I didn't incorporate it in that video because that video was just action packed. And you guys can actually go watch that video. It's the Musky opener. It was a crazy day. So I decided to do the catch and cook in a separate video and show you guys how to fillet walleye and also cook them up the way we do it. I did this video on my channel last year. I'm pretty sure it was in June, but it was a good video. So that was me and Rick. And now today, me and Trevor are gonna cook these up. Alright guys, we're gonna start. We got 2 walleye. It was a pretty slow night last night. But I'm gonna start by cutting right behind the gill plate. Alright guys, so then after you make that cut right behind the gill plate, I'm literally gonna follow as close as I can to the dorsal. Alright, then once you get to like this back fin, Trevor, what would you even call this fin?
Pectoral fin?
That'd be right here.
I don't know that.
Alright, well you're gonna get to this fin right here, like right where my knife is, and then you're gonna literally slide your knife through. So instead of just like kind of like slicing and cutting through, I'm literally just gonna scrape, as you can see, along this. This is the easiest way in my opinion. If you can see in there, that's literally the rib cage right there, and I'm literally cutting that right out so I don't actually have to cut that out when I'm done. So if you look at this, I'm all the way on the bones right here, and this all right here is the rib cage, and then you don't want that. All right, so guys, this lateral line right here, you have bones in there. So what I'm gonna do is get to about right here. So I'm gonna make 2 cuts and I'm gonna go around that lateral line right there, because then you're cutting out those bones. It's gonna be completely boneless. But I always do that before I skin it, and then I'll cut that out when I'm done. So, all right, so now I'm just gonna take this skin off, like so. Got all the meat off that. And now remember, I made that cut down the middle. So this cut right here. So now, just like that, I took out those lateral bones right there. So now you're left with a fat slab of boneless walleye meat. That's the first one. Again, my first cut right behind the pectoral fin. And then you can flip it up. And as you can see, I'm not going all the way in. I'm literally just kind of running my knife a 1/2 inch, maybe a 3/4 inch down. And then once you get to this back fin right here, you can go through and cut out. After you made the cut where you kind of like go through all of it, you're gonna come back and just kind of slide your knife to, as you can see, look, it just kind of falls off perfectly. And I'm just kind of following my blade of my knife around the bones. See, look, if you can see this right here, I'm literally following along the rib cage bones right here, and I'm not getting any bones in my meat because I'm literally just feeling my way through with my knife, and I'm not losing any meat. I'm just kind of taking off the bones. All right, then if you look at my walleye right here, I left like no meat on either side. Again, make your slit on both sides of this lateral line.
There you go.
Alright guys, all the fish are filleted. Next step is to take cold water and rinse off all your fillets. I gotta get a paper plate actually. As you can tell, we got no blood in our fillets at all. Not to toot my own horn here, but I think I did a pretty good job filleting these. Look how nice this fillet looks. Boneless, restaurant quality coming. Shout out to Trevor, T-Dog Outdoors, throw a pop tag Barker for helping me film. All our fillets are right there, but now we got these little walleye cheeks. I've actually never had walleye cheeks, and Trevor, you haven't either, correct?
No.
So we're gonna give these a try, but we're gonna cook these at the end. All right, so a key part for this is you want to take like a napkin and literally dry off your fillets. For some of you who don't do catch and cooks often, this is very, very important. You don't want to cook these fillets with a bunch of water on them. They're gonna be damp, so you're gonna have a little bit of water. You're not gonna get it perfect, but the best you could do, it'll go a long way. All right, guys, the next step is Tony's. You want to, this is very important that you don't overkill the pan. If you overkill it with Tony's, I promise you this is not gonna taste that good. So just a nice kind of light, like get the pan kind of covered. Okay, so you can kind of see like the white kind of coming in. So you got like the more reddish meat right there, like the pink, and it's kind of seeping in. So once a little bit longer, then I'm gonna give that a flip. Okay, so I'm gonna give this a nice flipper-do. Perfect flip.
That's looking good.
So we have this on a medium heat. I don't like cooking the fish too fast. One, you get slapped with butter, like you get burned a ton, and then this is like the perfect duration to cook it with. All right, guys, there's nothing better than going fishing like the night of, like especially walleye, you're usually fishing at night. So like the next morning when you wake up, I wanna say this is morning, it's like 4 p.m. Trevor had worked this morning, I slept in super late, and now we're cooking up this walleye. So I'm looking for the walleye to be nice, white and flaky meat. It's about to be done, and I'm getting super hungry. Dude, look how good that looks, oh my God.
They're just flaking apart like that, like you know that it's good.
Grab a fork and then you can start picking away. All right, guys, Trevor's gonna go for the first piece. Hold on, let me get it focused. All right, go ahead, bud.
That is amazing. Like, walleye is the perfect fish. It's a nice meat that you can do a lot of different things with, and like the Tony seasoning just goes together amazing with it. It's like peanut butter jelly.
What would you give this? Rate it.
10 out of 10, baby.
Ooh, perfect score.
Yeah, nice and flaky. Absolutely delicious.
So I haven't had walleye since last June, I believe, with Rick. Pop that video up real quick, but the first bite. Dude, it's so good.
I know.
Something about the Cajun.
It just gives like a little bit of kick to it.
Like, it's really good.
Yeah.
In my opinion, I don't think there's anything better than fresh walleye. I mean, we just caught this last night, and the Cajun recipe, as you guys know, is like literally one of my favorite recipes to do. Literally just like melts away in your mouth. I don't know. I think it's amazing.
Yeah, it's perfect. The butter, and it's just like nice flaky meat.
Trevor's saying that Northern might be better, in his opinion, than walleye, so we're gonna do that catch and cook coming soon.
Yeah, pike, a lot of people don't try to fillet it because they're nervous about the Y bones, but if you know the technique for it, pike meat is phenomenal. Walleye and pike, by far my favorite fish to eat.
This is hands down restaurant quality. This is something that you guys would go to, like a place up north, a restaurant up north, or even like any kind of fish place and order walleye. This is literally top notch, right up there. All right, guys, I'm actually gonna cook up those walleye cheeks real quick and kind of give you like our opinion. I've never had walleye cheeks ever, so I'm excited to try these.
A few moments later.
This is my first ever walleye cheek, and is it your first too?
Yep.
All right, let's go. I think it's good, but I wouldn't say like it's like
Game changing.
like outlandish.
Definitely good. It's a little more chewy than the rest of the meat, I'd say.
Yeah, like tougher.
It's still definitely good.
Maybe there's a better way to cook it.
Yeah. Would you prefer like the regular meat over that?
Yeah,
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too.
I'd rather eat the actual fillets than the walleye cheeks.
Yeah. At least with this recipe, the actual fillet definitely tastes better.
All right, well guys, that is gonna do it for today's episode. I'm just cleaning up all the remaining things, but I really hope you guys enjoyed today's walleye catch and cook. Me and Trevor obviously love eating fish, love doing the catch and cooks, and we're gonna do the Northern Pike catch and cook coming soon. We also have a bunch of different videos, guys, coming towards your way. We got walleye, we have musky, bass. We're doing tournaments. Our first tournament is actually, it was supposed to be May 3rd, but that got postponed to May 30th, but I'm gonna be up north fishing smallmouth because I'm obsessed. Get the tattoo, but our first one is June 7th, I believe. So that will be the beginning of, I'm gonna create like a whole playlist for like the tournament videos. Please remember to hit that like button, subscribe. 2 videos every single week, Tuesdays and Fridays at 4 o'clock p.m. Trevor, any last thoughts?
Another good video timing. I mean, we're on them, we're going every day. Like, quarantine can't slow us down, baby.
You heard it. Peace.